Alright y'all, we got a TAKEUCHI TB285 18,000 pound mini X for you today. Got auxiliary hydraulics, 24-inch bucket, 90-inch front blade. Blade does have float on it, y'all. This is a cab machine, but the door glass is busted out, as y'all can see. Door frame is still there, just need the glass. The front windshield is everything is in there. You will need this piece if you want to complete the cab. Cannot read the hours. 66 horsepower, YANMAR diesel. 18-inch tracks. Pre-emission machine, y'all. No DPF, no DEF, none of that. Got a 2-speed on it. Boom swing. Runs and operates like it's supposed to, y'all. Little cleanup and make you a good machine. 13601 Highway 45, North Finger, Tennessee is where this machine is located. SCSbid.com. We have an auction the third Thursday of every single month. We got anything you want on there, y'all. SouthernEquipmentLLC.com is our retail website. That's where we keep all our retail items. A lot of good stuff on there as well. Thank y'all for watching our videos.